Okay, man, the hummingbird feeders are getting low, so I thought I'd do a quick video on how I do my my hummingbird feeders. So as you can see here, we have a lot of bird feeders. There's some out there. I don't know if you can see that, but there are a bunch of feeders out there, and then all these in the tree. And here's the hummingbird feeder we're going to fill up. If I continue to walk down, we got a hummingbird feeder empty. Another thing we got to put seeds in, and then this one over here. And also I have another one right there we're going to smooch. All right, so we're going in the house. I'm going to show you what I got going on over here. So I got 1 cup of sugar in here. It's 1 cup of white sugar, granulated sugar in there. I got the hot water going. It's not hot, but you know, it's lukewarm. So we'll get that, and what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 cups per every one. So that's 1, that's 2, 3, and 4. So it's 4 parts sugar, 1 part water. You really don't need warm water, but we always do it because it just makes the sugar. You don't have to boil it. Some people boil it. You don't have to do it. Just like making Kool-Aid, stir it up. So we're going to stir it up now. All right. See, all you got to do is just stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. All right, I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So yeah, just a nice little stir there. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. So as you can see now, it's clear. I only stirred it for about 30 seconds. You can already see that the water's completely clear. There's no sugar granules on there.
Yes, I tell you, Aaron, it's preservation of hummingbirds is really good. And Aaron can tell you about how far they can fly and all these kind of things. Heartbeats, 300 beats a minute and all this kind of thing. But this right here gives them sustenance. And when it starts getting cold, they'll fly to South America, Ecuador. You know, I mean, they're really
Smoochy.
smoochy.
Okay, man, so Todd says they're very smoochy. Sorry about the camera on the list. So we're going to bring this out here, and we're going to just fill up the hummingbird feeders. Okay?